Hi, Sultan. How are you?
Hi, I'm good.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Sultan, I am from England. Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan.
Are you from Islamabad, Karachi?
So I'm from Karachi.
Karachi, yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. I do. I do not know why, but I do not speak to many people from Pakistan. Um, I um, I I am a teacher. Sultan, what kind of work do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Oh,
Uh,
very good. Very good.
yeah, I teach English and I just want to practice my English on Cambly.
Oh, okay. So you want me to ask you some general questions, yeah?
Yeah, that's right.
How many years have you been a teacher?
I've been a teacher for almost 7 years.
Okay. And what is the most difficult thing for you to do as a teacher?
I think it would be uh, correcting students' writing.
Okay. And I am in Thailand now, and I have taught in Thai schools here. Um,
Mm.
how do you feel about um, how much time do you think you waste trying to control the students?
That's a good question.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Okay. So initially, it was difficult for me to handle the students
yeah,
because they were very mischievous and rowdy at first,
yeah.
and I was new, so I didn't know how to like deal with the situation at that time. But now I can handle them. I don't waste a lot of time to discipline them.
Exactly. At first, you are an easy target. You are an easy
Yeah,
target. Yeah,
right.
until you know. Here in Bangkok, I used to get very frustrated. I taught in a girls' school, and
Oh, even then?
yeah, I was lucky. It was a very good school, but
Hmm.
but they are continually taking out their mobile phones.
Oh, okay. Mobile phones are allowed in the class?
Yes, they were, which is a very bad idea.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Um, it if it is better maybe at the start of the lesson if students can hand in their mobile phones.
Hmm.
But that's a big responsibility because then you've got like here thousands of Thai baht. It's your responsibility.
Right. Hmm.
Um, how much problem how much of a problem for you um, is students playing with their mobile phones?
No, here, actually, maybe it's because I teach primary grade students.
Oh, good.
So they obviously don't have, most of them don't have cell phones. Even in general, students are not allowed to use cell phones in the classroom.
Yeah, that's good. I in a on a Sunday I have taught in a private school little children, and
Uh-huh.
and it was great. I enjoyed it, but
Right.
but then one of the class he got a mobile phone, and the rest of the children would crowd around.
Crowded. Uh-huh.
Yeah, and I found that a little frustrating to deal with. Yeah.
Okay. So let me ask you that are you giving online classes or face-to-face classes?
Now, Sultan, I only give face-to-face classes here on Cambly. Sorry,
Ah,
sorry, I'm face-to-face online first, but in a school, no, because um, my school closed March the 16th, 2020, and
Ah.
I have not been back. And here in Bangkok,
Mhm,
Sultan, here
mhm,
it's probably about 34 degrees centigrade now,
mhm,
and to travel to the school, I've got to walk to the bus stop,
mhm.
get on the bus, get on a subway,
Right.
and then maybe walk or get a motorbike to get to the school. And
Mm,
then in the school, I'd have to wear a mask.
right.
And then when I returned, I'd have to return 34 degrees centigrade with a mask on.
Uh-huh.
It's too, it would be awful. It would be terrible.
Right. Uh-huh.
Yeah. And
So,
very,
mhm.
and Sultan also, it is very, very unhealthy. Yeah.
Right. Yes. You only teach on Cambly now?
Yes, yes, I do. That is correct. Yeah. Yeah.
Mm, okay, great. That's wonderful.
It's okay. It's quite hard, and it can be complicated,
Hmm.
and there are technical problems.
Hmm. Right.
Um, but you could try it in the future. It might be a good idea to try it in the future. Yeah.
Right. So, you live all alone?
No, no. I am married.
Oh, okay.
I have a Thai wife, and I have
Wow.
two adult stepdaughters. They are 25 and 31 years old.
Oh, okay. That's pretty cool.
How about yourself?
Yeah, I'm also married, but
Uh-huh.
I don't have children.
Okay, and is your is your wife a teacher?
No, she's not. She is a homemaker.
That's a great. I like that, a homemaker. Yeah.
But do we use this
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
in British English?
yeah, yeah. That's great. I like it. And
Hmm.
and as a joke in English, we also used to say a domestic engineer. Yeah,
Domestic engineer.
but
Ah,
a home worker is that's good. What are your hobbies and interests?
yeah. So I like reading books, and I also enjoy watching movies.
Okay, okay. I'm going to send you a link that might help you both. It might help you and help your children, your pupils. Yeah. Um, this is a link. This is a link to YouTube, and there are many children's books here, Sultan.
Oh, thank you so much.
And Sultan, you can read them online, and there's audio. You can listen to them.
Right.
So
Okay.
if you have a TV in your classroom, you could play them to your children and make them speak English. Yeah,
Okay, that's a good idea.
yeah, yeah, and
Great.
it would be fun.
Great.
And also, I always recommend that people record their voice.
Hmm.
I think recording your voice is very important.
Yes, that's right.
Have you tried to record your voice?
Not very often, uh, but yes, it's a good idea
Yeah, yeah,
to listen to yourself and try to, because sometimes when we talk or when we speak, we don't realize what mistakes we are making.
exactly. And my recorded voice is
Mhm.
completely different from what I and yeah,
Yeah,
and this is why it's. I mean, when I hear my voice, I don't like it. Do,
yes,
do
that's
you?
right.
How do you feel when you hear your voice? Are you shocked?
Yeah, it sounds strange sometimes when you hear, especially on phone,
Yeah,
when
yeah.
you hear your own voice, it seems to be that someone else is talking, not you.
Okay. And I have some children's storybooks I can send to you. But you speak very loudly and you speak very clearly. If I was in your classroom,
Mhm.
I would be able to understand you very easily. But no, I haven't heard any major grammar mistakes. No. Can you tell me what I know you like reading? What other hobbies do you like?
These days, I'm working on Arabic. I'm learning
Wow,
Arabic from
wow,
YouTube. Yeah.
wow. Okay, well, I can send you some Arabic picture dictionaries.
Right. Right. Thanks.
No,
Thanks.
no, no.
Have a
Take
nice
care.
day.
Take care, man. Well done.
Thanks.
Well done.
Yeah.
Thank